conference is very important because the society in general is aging faster because of metabolic diseases and environmental assaults.
This is really a wonderful opportunity to really bring together people from all over the world, and I think this is really a unique opportunity that you do not really get any other way.
This is probably one of the meetings that is happening after 10 years and that is focused on age-related topics.
It's a pleasure to be here. It's amazing to see the collection of people from diverse backgrounds who are sitting under one roof and discussing aging.
The talks have been great. The poster session was terrific. I had some great conversations with trainees who were presenting. And I've already had some conversations with colleagues here who I haven't met before that I think might lead to some really great collaborations.
It's kind of amazing that people from many different countries come at this one location. It's not just the US, it's people from Europe, people from kind of larger Asia, as well as a lot of people scattered around India.
Yeah, this is my first conference in India after spending nearly a decade in Germany. It's been a revelation to see the amount of progress that has been made in the science in India, and I'm very grateful for the invitation here and the opportunity to participate in an amazing conference.
Hope we are able to do many more of this where we are able to get international faculties and have community members.
We hope that we continue to organize such events to bring together people and bring new collaborations to different institutions of India.